In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean opening where the screen splits into sections and slides apart to reveal your video. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels structured. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find half slides, then apply it. Once applied, the screen divides into halves and slides open, revealing the video in a smooth and organized way. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the halves move apart. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and sharp. Longer duration slows it down, creating a smoother and more professional feel. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the motion feels balanced. And that's it. You've successfully added a half slides reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile animation tutorials.